All right, Fred Smith, the founder of FedEx, who's been at the helm of that company now for almost 40 years, stepping down. Raj Subramaniam, the current COO of the company, will be the new CEO of the company. That's based on an announcement by FedEx. That takes effect on June 1st. Raj Subramaniam, the new FedEx CEO, starting on June 1st, Taylor.
And we're currently up after hours. Let's bring in Bloomberg's Lee Klaskow to really get an inside viewpoint on what does it mean for FedEx to go for an insider for its latest chief executive?
Yeah, I think that this really isn't that much of a surprise. I mean, Raj has been the heir apparent for some time. There were some questions when Fred Smith's son, Richard Smith, was appointed to head up the Express unit. I think this kind of solidifies that Raj is, in fact, obviously going to be taking over now as CEO, in addition to his other titles as president and COO. So, it's not much of a surprise, and you can look at the stock right now. It's kind of indicating flat from when it closed. So I think market expectations are what this was going to happen. I guess the big surprise is that it happened today.
Okay, interestingly, I'm curious if you can give us sort of any insight when we think about sort of this succession planning, FedEx Express, Subramaniam, of course, running that previously, and sort of operationally how we can think about any of the other segments of the business moving forward.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see, if Raj has any changes at any of the other business units. There has been a lot of change over the last couple of years in terms of the various units, whether it's ground, freight, or express. Like I mentioned earlier, Richard Smith was the latest senior executive to be appointed to a new role of heading up Express, and he's got a lot in front of him, especially as it relates to the integration of their TNT acquisition, which has been slow to provide benefits from.